Hi guys, we're gonna do shake hand today. So it's sort of a border like tangle. In the sample, art sample, they've actually got it going kind of here and here and here, but basically it's a border, so I'm going to do it that way. So start off, number one, we're going to do a row of circles, small circles. Would be nice if I could learn how to talk today, huh? All right, and then coming out from those circles, we're going to do this little arch with the meeting here, okay? And then under that, we're going to have this little V shape coming under the dots. And then, after you're done with that, then we're going to aura this curve. So it looks like there's people holding hands or something, shaking hands. And then on the top here, the official pattern has 3 more lines like that, kind of like a crown. So the official pattern is this one, and then this must be a variation to do it with hearts as instead of circles as the main thing. Do it with just this curve and this, and then instead of this kind of crown thing at the top, do something like peacock or little leaves. So you can embellish it or change it up however you feel able to do so. But that's the main thing right there. So I think that's what I'm going to do on a bookmark. So let's give that a go. Turn on my light so I can see better, so you can see better. Zoom that in and get myself a bookmark piece of paper. Okay, let's see. Pen would help. So I'm just going to put some circles about this far apart all the way down my page. Something like that. They kind of got closer together as I got to the end, but that's all right. And then we want this kind of arch. That. And then the next step is this V shape, like so. I could make it smaller, but I'm enjoying it this nice big size, so that's what I'm doing. Like that. And then you want to do this. Can you see? Something like that. Like I said, my things are getting smaller as I go down the page. Whatever. And then the official one has us doing that as the next step. Three. There we go. And that's it. That's done. And now I can embellish. I can do another row this way. I'm a little too close to this edge for me to want to do that. But I do feel like it's kind of, it needs something. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do this shape again on this other side. And do a circle, then 1, 2, 3, to kind of balance out this side. I'm missing one. Like that. That way I've kind of balanced it out a little bit. I like that better. And then I think I want to do why? I don't know. Just do. Don't be afraid to play and experiment and do something different than what the step out shows. The step out is just a guideline to get you started. Everybody's getting 5 little lines and some dots. But on this side I don't want to do that. On this side I want to do a squiggly line. Why? I don't know. What I felt like doing. That's why. Alright. I think I'm done with that bit. I could color. I could I could shade. I think I'm just going to shade a little. Could color. Does it feel like it wants color? You guys tell me. Is it asking me for color? I don't know. what it's doing is it's telling me to shade on the outside, just on one side, this side, to kind of like ground it. And it may decide it wants color, I don't know. I'm not really feeling the color. We'll see. We'll see what happens. After I'm done with the shading. Like that. Okay, I like that. Yeah, it wants a little bit of color, but not a lot of color. I'm just going to grab one. I'm not too sure what color. I'm going to grab something light. Maybe this light pink. I'm just going to put just a tad of color in here. Just like that. Does it want more? Wants to be more filled in. Yeah, it does. Wants a little smudge of another really light color. What light color? Maybe I'll try this light green. That startled me. And a light yellow or brown, maybe yellow. There we go. Beautiful. Lovely little bookmark. This was called Shake Hand. There we go. Done. That was kind of cute. Easy. One of those patterns that you can just quick run right through it, right? Alright, so you guys have a really great day. I will next week be on my cruise. We're doing a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise for our 35th wedding anniversary. We're going to have a whole lot of fun. I'm not worried about it. It's already paid for, so we're good. And when we come back, we'll see if my husband still has a job I don't know. At this point, we're still not sure. The people who are purchasing are supposed to be purchasing the business, they are not qualifying for a new lease on the property, so it might not go through. So I don't know what's going on with the business, but whatever is happening with it, we're just leaving it up to God's hands, and that whatever is going to be, and we're just going to enjoy our vacation and not worry about it. So I'm going to record videos. I'll probably record them tomorrow or the next day to get, you know, ahead, and so I have videos ready for when we're gone. But yeah, you will not notice that I'm gone, but I will notice that I'm gone, and I'm going to enjoy myself and have a great time. So you have a good day. I will see you on the next video, and go out and do something nice for someone today, okay? We'll make the world a better place. Bye-bye.